Welcome to my new video, guys. In this video I'm gonna show you how to format an external drive on your Mac OS Catalina. So first of all, go to Spotlight and search Disk Utility app. Now select your external drive and press on erase. Name what you want to give, and in format I would suggest you Mac OS Extended if you are only using your external drive on Mac OS, or else if you are using on Windows also, then use expect format and then press erase. So the process is done and you can see free space is 15.53 GB.